Before you begin animating, it's always good to do some warm-up to increase your flexibility. Now, these warm-up exercises will help build your muscle memory and are especially helpful if you're transitioning from drawing on traditional media like paper and drawing digitally. There's a disconnect between drawing digitally and drawing on paper that often happens. So one exercise is to draw a dot in the middle of the screen and just try to draw straight lines coming out of the dot. And if you do these exercises I'm showing you for just 5 minutes before you begin animating, it'll make a big difference. Then you can try to draw circles of different shapes around this spiderweb shape. And then another one to do is draw 2 dots on the screen and just in one single stroke try to connect the dots like that. You can just keep going back and forth, and this will help you with making sure that you can draw long swooping lines. Another tip is to draw these little tulip shapes. Just go all the way around without lifting your hand off of your drawing surface. And you just keep practicing this, and it will help you with curved shapes to where you don't have to constantly stop and try to connect lines awkwardly. You'll have a more smooth line. Another tip is to draw circles of about a quarter size and try to fill the whole page up with them. Draw them in a single swoop and try to connect the starting line in one swoop as opposed to starting various times. Another tip is to draw these S shapes, kind of like Japanese woodblock prints, the waves on like the Great Wave picture, you know? These contour lines, just repeat these patterns all across the screen, and this will help you a lot with getting some flow into your drawing. Really just doing these types of motions, like these cross-hatching motions and all the other exercises, it's going to help you make more confident lines in your digital art.